Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Sorry, my lips are super red. I was just eating a bunch of tacos and hot sauce for dinner at a whopping 2:48 a.m. Also, we're almost at 30,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe so you can help us get to 30,000. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, or if you're thinking about becoming an Uber or a Lyft driver, or if you just like making money, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you want to make more money, it helps me out a ton. Essentially, what I'm going to be talking about today is there's a lot to talk about. There's a new organization called Mobile Alliance. They are proposing $30 an hour for Uber drivers. I want to hear your comments right now. So pause this video. Well, here. I want to hear your thoughts. Is $30 an hour enough for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers? Is that fair? Pause this video, go comment in the comment section, and then keep watching this video. Or what is a good amount of money for Uber and Lyft drivers to make? I want to hear your thoughts. I'm curious. For me, 30 bucks an hour, 40 hours a week, $60,000 a year. I think that's great, especially given the amount of expenses that Uber and Lyft drivers are forced to have. Sorry, I'm still hungry. I almost just dropped all my food. Especially with all the expenses. I mean, Uber and Lyft don't want drivers to realize that we're gonna use our own car, we're gonna put a bunch of miles on our car, we're gonna have to pay for gas, etc. Or if we're using a rental car, we have to pay for the rental car. It's like 200 bucks a week at least. Sometimes more, depending what car you got. Guys, really quick surprise. Wow, I look hideous. I'm so tired, bro. Really quickly, I wanted to show you guys, this is what my fridge looks like. Okay, not the outside of it. Oh, that's me, by the way. I like the mirror, actually, now that I think about it. I can do my little TikTok dances in here. Yeah. But yeah, look at the inside of my fridge. You guys ready? Look how aesthetic this is. Got my Evian water. Oh, I gotta switch this over. Got these teas. These teas are great. Vitamin water, juice. I just feel like, I don't know, what else should I add? I was thinking about doing some Red Bulls. Maybe replacing this with Red Bulls for those late nights. Or the coffee, the Frappuccino, iced coffees. I don't know, what do you guys drink? I'm curious. So, really quick, I need to explain what exactly is going on. Then I'm gonna get into what exactly this organization is proposing, but before I do, I need to tell you exactly what's going on in California. There was a law that was passed called AB5. I don't know if you guys remember that. Sorry, I'm looking for a little baggie for my beans. So I need to wrap up my beans. Okay, whatever, I'll just use this huge one. There is a law that just is being passed called AB5, right? Basically what AB5 does is it tries to classify gig workers as employees, especially in California, where this law was passed. And not does this, so basically what the California State Assembly proposed was that, or what they said is that, oh, a lot of these gig working companies are kind of cheating the system, and they're hiring a bunch of independent contractors to run the company, when in reality, those people should be employees, they should have set wages, they should have benefits, and the companies should provide benefits. Why? So individuals are not running around this country with no health insurance and with no proper wages. It totally makes sense, right? Why would you want, you know, it's probably estimated that 30% of our workforce now are gig workers. Why would you want 30% of our US citizens, working US citizens, to have no proper medical health insurance, to have no set wage, to just be running around trying to make ends meet with no stable job. So it kind of makes sense. Sure, it's easy and flexible for us, but for the government, like, it leads to more mental health issues, right? Because more people become homeless and more people resort to working a lot longer, and a lot of people don't get the healthcare that they need because they don't have health insurance. You guys see what I'm saying? It's a huge cycle. So with that being said, the California proposed that bill. It ended up getting passed, and it's a law now. It's a law in California called AB5. However, Uber and Lyft and DoorDash and Instacart and Postmates, all these gig working companies that rely on independent contractors for the success of their work, were super against it. They were doing everything they wanted. They held a rally at the freaking state capitol in Sacramento. At least Uber did. And they paid drivers to come out. Not paid, but they gave them a stipend, you know, like gas money and food to come out. Basically, you know, take the day off and come support. So what happened with all of that? It ended up being passed, but Uber and Lyft didn't want that to happen. So as soon as it happened, Uber responded saying, oh, AB5 doesn't even apply to rideshare drivers. We're not doing anything. There's another video I need to make because Uber is already getting sued by drivers because of this. It's crazy. There's so much going on. Like, I don't even know if the rideshare is gonna last another few months. If you were planning on doing rideshare for another couple years, I don't know, I'm sorry, but like, at least in California, I'm not even sure it's gonna last another few months, or even until 2021. There's just too many hurdles that's going on. So that's why me, myself, I'm already looking at other options. As you can see here, I'm already selling merch. This is my clothing store, guys. I do make merch, not only for rideshare, but for other YouTubers too, you know? This is my passion project that I'm trying to replace my Uber driving money with. So with that being said, the AB5 thing, it creates unions for gig workers, right? Or not for gig workers, but for like Uber drivers, potentially, but theoretically, if Uber actually did make drivers all employees, which they haven't. But so I've actually been getting tons of ads. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but I think it's called mobilealliance.org. Let me see if that comes up. Well, I keep getting these ads. Oh wait, no. I saved the, here we go. This is it. Yeah, Mobile Workers Alliance. Join the movement. Join thousands of other drivers and gig workers across California who are fighting for fair wages, benefits, and a union. Fill out a quick form and we'll call you soon to get you plugged in. So obviously they do stuff in Spanish as well. Who we are. Gosh, they always, let's go to their Instagram. They always have ads on my videos called like, oh, we need to make $30 per hour. Dang, they are not active on Instagram. Let's see if they're active on Facebook at least. I low-key honestly just want to go through some of my videos and see if any of these ads pop up, because they've been advertising hella on my videos, bruh. Oh, why is it on the 2G? It should be on the 5G.
Hey everyone,
let's go. You guys know when it does this, you can play a game, like just press spacebar and now you're playing a, oh wait, whoops. Okay, never mind. Okay, let me see if I can, let's just click this video and see if we get the ad. Oh, we got the ad. This is it. Here, listen.
The car payment, insurance, cleaning. So after all of our expenses, we're making $7 to $9 an hour. And anybody who's ever lived in a
He's saying that after expenses, drivers are currently only making $7 to $9 per hour. I think that's like a little.
In the past 15, 20 years, no, you
much.
cannot make it on $7 to $9 an hour. And what we wanted to do today is create fair wages for all workers, but we're all coming together because we see that we're in the same struggle.
You see the $30 per hour? See if they have another one. The second ad. Oh no, that's Universal Studios. But yeah, you saw the signs. They're trying to propose 30 bucks an hour. I don't see it right now, but that's pretty much what it is. I want to hear your thoughts, guys. Is 30 bucks an hour enough? Do we need more? Do drivers need more or less? Is 20 bucks an hour enough? What's reasonable? I don't think Uber's gonna say, okay, cool, sure. 30 bucks an hour, here you guys go. I don't think it's gonna be that simple. But yeah, I wanna hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a video a big thumbs up and comment and subscribe. We're almost at 30K. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Bye.